Welcome to Risk Africa TV. My name is Anton Pretorius, and with me I've got Mpumi Tyikwe, and he is the Managing Director at Landbank Insurance. We're talking about a new deal that they've broken now with GENRIC Insurance. Welcome, Mpumi.
Thanks, Anton. Good to see you, and thank you for your viewers as well.
Can you tell us about the new deal with GENRIC?
Yes, what I can tell is that, as you know, last year we announced a partnership with GENRIC, which dealt with us providing insurance for the agricultural sector, for asset insurance. Now, what has come about this time around is that after that deal, we made another transaction with a company called RISKAFRICA. It's an underwriting agency in the crop space. So what it does, they are specialists in the provision of crop insurance. What we realize as the land bank is that the people that the crop guys are talking to also have got a need for asset insurance as well. So we felt that it was good to introduce the two partners, and with that a transaction has materialized.
RISKAFRICA, like you mentioned, is no stranger to GENRIC and Landbank. In terms of asset and crop insurance, how do they fit in?
Okay, let me start first with the crop side. What happened sometime last year, ABSA Insurance Company decided to exit the crop insurance space due to the volatility that we know is associated with the provision of crop insurance. And what we did as a land bank, we realized the potential and the opportunity in the management in that specific company. We then encourage all the staff that used to deal with crop and the top management to buy the infrastructure and the capacity to handle crop insurance. And then they subsequently created a UMA, which they fully owned. Landbank has got an option to be a minority shareholder in that particular transaction. And because this entity speaks to the various business partners that the land bank has, the AFGRIs, the various co-ops that we have as clients, we then said, all right, guys, how about you looking into the asset space as well? But it's much more easier for our broking partners to deal with one person. So I believe that for RISKAFRICA and GENRIC and also the land bank, this is a good deal.
And tell me, what benefits will this have for the agricultural sector in general?
I think the UMA model has, over the last 15 years, been tested over time. It's quite resilient. I think for the agricultural sector, what it means is flexibility in terms of product needs, the speed of decision making, whether it's dealing with a new product, but also when it deals with what the farmer requires and what the agricultural sector requires is for the claim to be paid in a speedily fashion. So what it does is that it makes things happen so much more quicker, and you're going to have a far much more responsive management. You don't have to go through layers and layers and layers of management to get to the top. The person that you will interact with will probably be the decision maker in the business. So quick decision making time, and I think the customers will benefit much better.
Fantastic. Thank you so much.